left here in the first period. No score in this one. There's he shoots, he scores! That baby going so fast, Bill, he had no time to react.
Oh, man, he locked on, ripped it. I mean, the goalie had no chance. I'm not even sure he saw it.
San Jose's offense has gotten it done. It took a while here in the first, but they're on the... Up the wing, he's got that one on the tape. Proka's opportunity comes with a great move.
Oh, Gary, he just shredded that defender.
Skates this puck. Chance! Right when they needed it, we get a tie game. Phoenix's opportunity that they took advantage of was right when to Ryan. Creating space. What a move. Oh, what? He scores! Ryan's goal, Bill, is one that was created before he ever got to the net.
He undressed the defender, Gary. I mean, I think I see, yes, I do see items of equipment all over the ice leading to the goal.
Anaheim's effort finally results in a goal. They take advantage of it. The Kings' aggressive style, evidence right there.
Yeah, you can watch for a lot of guys to finish their checks.
Oh, what a shot! What a shot that was. I mean, to get that much on it with that kind of action.
Yikes, just cranked it. I mean, he caught all of that shot.
LA's offense took a while to get this going, but they're on the... Amazing that this hockey team has just fit in.
Oh, they're Dallas Stars crazy people here. I mean, it's unbelievable. The fans...
Score!
Oh, what a shot. An absolute laser. No chance for the goalie.
Dallas' scoring attack finally finds one. They get their first...